Thanks a lot. You're welcome, John. And if you can't get enough on NewsHour Online right now, you can watch the full rocket launch. That's at pbs.org/newshour. And a news update before we go, the House of Representatives has just approved a new short-term spending bill. As we reported earlier, it would fund the federal government until March.
Zo! Wat is dit, joh? Waar kwam die auto vandaan? Ik heb het is...
Kom op, hit her. This is your last chance. You want to leave? You want to ride? And he's like, no.
That brings us to the second week of January 1993.
Oh my god.
有这段，对你让我想那个书里，哎，撞上了。
Business. The one thing I'm wondering about is we're already having issues with kids eating Tide Pods. Doing all this other. Well, they shouldn't be in the bar.
Oh, fucking hell, man, the lorry's just hit a car! Fucking hell!